Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in my phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to sounds and vibration, and here select volume, and you will see lot of volumes available here. First is ringtone, then media, then notifications, and then systems. So to increase or decrease ringtone volume, just move the cursor to the right side for increasing, just move the cursor to the left side for decreasing. Okay, so in this way you can adjust. In this similar way you can adjust the media volume. Okay, by moving to the right side it will increase the volume, by moving to the left side it will decrease the volume. Okay, in the similar way for notification you can do it. To increase, move to the right side. For reduce the sound, move to the left. Okay, this is system sound. So in this way you can do it. Also there is another method, use volume up key or down key. Okay, just press volume up key and you will see the ringtone. Yes, this is a ringtone volume, and you can increase. If you move up it will increase, if you move down it will decrease. Okay, if you press on these three dots, all volumes will be showing here. Okay, this is system volume, this is notification volume, this is ringtone volume, this is what is called media volume. Okay, so in this way also you can increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.